Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your first advertising account on Facebook. It's pretty simple and it will take just a few minutes of your time, and then you can start with your advertising. In order for you to advertise on Facebook, you need to have your advertising account and your Facebook page. If you still don't have a Facebook page, please check out my video where I explain exactly how to do it and how to create your first Facebook page for your business. Let's start. In order to advertise on Facebook, you need to have Ads Manager account. If you don't have one, you can create it easily. First of all, please check if you already have it on Facebook. From your personal profile, you should see the menu on your left, and here you will have Ads Manager. Just click on it. Your advertising account will appear here. However, if you never have advertised on Facebook before, you probably won't even have an option for Ads Manager. If you don't, simply go to Google and look for Ads Manager Facebook. Now, click on Create a Facebook Ad, and from this screen, you can click on Create Ad. Once you get into the Ads Manager creation, you will see a next screen. You will have to choose a name for your advertising account, then time zone and currency. Let's overview this. Regarding your ad account name, you can name it however you want. It doesn't really matter. It's just a name for you in case you have different advertising accounts and you advertise different products or businesses. You would like to distinguish between all of them, so that's why you need to choose ad account name. If you have just one business and you would like to promote it, so name it according to your business name. I think that's the easiest way to do it. So for example, it's Rita Advertising. And regarding your time zone, it's very important. Time zone and currency. Both of these things you can't really change in the future. You can only create another advertising account in order to change your time zone and your currency. So be careful. Your time zone means that your ads are going to be scheduled at this time zone. For example, if you would like your ads to start at 8 a.m. at Pacific time, make sure that your time zone here is correct. Regarding your currency, Facebook does have a lot of options. Not all the options are available, but you do have dollars, you do have euros, so choose whatever works for you and then click Next. At this stage, you are going to choose a payment method. You can choose PayPal or your credit card, and you're going to fill in the details about your business so that if you're going to receive an invoice from Facebook, it will be registered to your business name. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or simply contact me directly via the link in the description. Goodbye.